My Google team. Today, I'll be demonstrating how we are using our Google Cloud Storage connector in one of our lower environments. So this is one of our lower environment, and let me try to create a connection to Google Cloud Storage, and let us also see how we are utilizing the scopes. So this is our connection form. So it'll ask you to name the Google Cloud Storage connection, and you'll have to give your project ID that is mentioned in your Cloud Console. This is the project ID. And from there, these are the scopes. So these are the three scopes that we have added: read, write, full control, and read only, all our dev storage. And once this is done, we basically click on save and authorize, and then we will be seeing a screen. Yeah, this is my account which I'm using that has access to Google Cloud Storage. And now this says like you have been given access to an app that is currently being tested because this is on the lower environment. And let's click on continue. So when I click on continue, it will show you these are the three services that we are using. Now you can click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will see that the connection has become online. Okay. So let us demonstrate this with the help of how we are utilizing this. So let me select Google Cloud Storage and let me name my list buckets. Let me just give a name to my step. Here I'll be choosing the connection that I just created, which is G. And let me select buckets, and then let me select list buckets, and it will ask you to give the project ID. So let me take this and give the project ID here. And if you do a preview, you will be able to see all the buckets that are there in this console. So just to verify, let us go here and then search for buckets. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 buckets. So these are the 6 buckets that you are seeing in your output, like HTTP export backup DND, HTTP export backup DND. So basically, this is the read scope that we are demonstrating. Okay, let us demonstrate the write scopes. So here I have a Google Drive export. So I have a connection to my Google Drive application, and I'm just trying to query for the files and list files. So if you see in my Google Drive, so these are all the files that I have. Now, this is on my export side, and on the import side, we will be demonstrating the Google Cloud Storage write. So since this is the same connection that we just created, and now let me search for folders, and then let me do a create a folder. So if you do here, it is asking for a bucket name. So let's go here and then look at this test bucket TB. Now let me take this and then give the bucket name here. And if I do a send call, you will see a hierarchical namespace. So, okay, let me select because this bucket does not have that. Let me select that and then let me show you something else also. Yeah, let's do a delete of this folder so that it's clear. Okay, for some problem, let me show this. Okay, here you go. I just changed the bucket name as TV2 and I did a send. You will be able to see a folder that got created in the bucket TB2, which is G drive E2 TC9 results.json. And it is the same thing here. G drive E2 TC59 results.json. So just if we just go a step back and look at the connection that we just created to the Google cloud storage. So these are the three scopes, right? So we just saw read only, the first case where we just queried for the bucket and we were able to retrieve the bucket. And you also saw the read and write where we are able to write to the Google Cloud Consoles bucket where we created a folder inside that. And this is the full control, which is mandatory to use these two scopes. So yeah, thank you.